Hi everyone, today you will see how to use Canva. First you will do is you open your browser and go to canva.com. If you already have an app, then open your Canva app. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, you can sign up using your email or Google account. Next, on the home page, you can see different templates. You can choose presentation if you want slides, or poster if you want to make a poster. For this demo, click on presentation. Canva will show many designs. Pick one template by clicking it. Now, you can edit the template. Click the text to change shape. Go to the left side and click Elements or Uploads. Then drag that picture into your design. If you If you want to add more text, click Text on the left. Select a text style and type or choose what you need. You can change the size and color at the top toolbar. When you are done, click the Share button at the top right. Then choose Download. Select the file format you want, like PNG, PDF, or PPTX. And then, click Download again. If you are using Canva for a lesson or report, click Present on the top right. This lets you show your slides like a PowerPoint. That's how you use Canva. It's easy, simple, and fun to use.